I want you to watch this particular video here and take note of some things I will tell you. But before then, if you're a faceless channel creator, you might have gotten copyright issues before, or reuse content issues, or anything related to that, or you might not have. But one thing you need to know is that YouTube is not sleeping on faceless channels. So you have to be on your toes to be sure that you do the right thing on your channel, such that once you post your videos, you can keep posting your videos forever and ever, and you will not have a single issue with YouTube. You will monetize easily. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created these videos that you're going to be watching right now. These videos, I'm going to go ahead to post them even on my first channel, because I know for sure that they will not give me anything copyright on my channel. Now, you would notice that it is my own face, my own voice that you can see there, but it is AI generated, and I did it with free apps. I did not pay for anything. I did this using just my smartphone. I'm going to show you exactly how, but before that, watch the video. Struggling to shoot and edit clean and professional videos? Join my 7-day video editing class starting March 30th. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to generate the script. We're going to do it together. All right, but before then, if this is your first time here, hi and welcome. I'm Glory C, and this is AI with Glory C, where I teach you how to use different AI tools for different functions step by step in such a way that you won't get anything copyright. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it is free of charge, but do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one so you can get to a lot more content creators like us. Now, once you come on your ChatGPT, the first thing I want to do is to give it a prompt so it can give me the script that I want. Now, that video that you just watched is me talking about a video editing class, a 7-day video editing class that I'm about to, host. And this is actually happening in reality on the 30th March. So for people who do not even know how to edit videos, basically, you don't just know how to edit videos, or you know how to do your AI, but you still don't know how to put those videos together in such a way that it will not affect you. This class is for you. So what I'm going to do is to go into ChatGPT, like you can see on my screen here. And the good thing, like I've always told you, that I love about ChatGPT is the fact that I can use my voice to tell it everything. I'm not much of a typing person. I just prefer to talk. All right, so I'm going to go ahead to talk. Now listen. Hi, ChatGPT. I'm about to create a video. You know that I'm actually hosting a 7-day class on video editing, right? I want to create a 15-second script for this particular video editing class. I want to create it promoting the class because I want to film it as a short and then post on my YouTube page so that people can easily get the information and sign up for the class. Now the class is 10,000 naira, but I want a 15-second script that would be straight to the point and captivating so that it will not waste people's time, and at the same time people can easily get all the details for the class. So this class starts on the 30th March. I'm going to be teaching them how to shoot professional videos and how to edit confidently with just their smartphone. So that means anywhere they are, they can actually edit their videos very well. So I want you to come up with a very good 15-second script for me that I can use for this. Thank you. So now that I've done that, I tapped on the check icon, all right, to send it. So let's see what, can you see? ChatGPT has literally transcribed everything I just said. You can see, ChatGPT, I'm about to create a video. You know that I'm actually hosting it. Can you see? Everything that I said is what it's actually noted. So instead of me typing, there's no time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this particular icon here. Okay, this arrow pointing upward, and it's going to do the work for me. So you can see, got you. Since this is for a YouTube short, it needs a strong hook, fast flow, clear benefit, and a direct CTA. So here is a sharp 15-second promo script you can film. Now I'm showing you this, but you can use this for your own videos. Okay, I'm just trying to show you how I generated that. Now what I did is, you can see the script. Still struggling to make your videos look clean and professional? Join my 7-day video editing class starting March 30th and learn how to shoot like a pro and edit confidently using just your smartphone. No laptop, no stress, just real skills. The fee is 10,000 naira. Click the link in the description now and secure your spot before it fills up. Very easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on copy. Now it has copied it for me. What am I going to do next? The next thing is to now generate the image. Now what I'm going to do is to use my face to generate an AI image of myself. Okay, now to do that, you want to go ahead and watch the video that I uploaded. The last video I uploaded, I showed you step by step how to do that. But let me just tell you, what you want to do is to take a picture of your face, like a passport picture of your face, so that it shows only your face. No need for earrings or anything. Now, once you are done, go to Pinterest and download the particular image you want to use. Okay, once you download the particular image you want to use, go into your browser and just type ideogram. Before you go into your browser, go into ChatGPT, paste that Pinterest image there and tell it to describe that image without the face. That it should not describe the face, just the other part of the image. Once it has done that, go into Ideogram AI on your website, okay, and on your browser. Once you go into Ideogram AI, just paste that your upload that your own facial image there. Okay, once you've uploaded the image of your face, you're going to see a place to crop it, and then paste that prompt that ChatGPT already generated for you, and it's going to generate the AI photo shoot of yourself. But if you still need a full tutorial, go into the description box and you see the link to that particular tutorial there. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after you must have generated that particular image, I already have the image, so I'm going to go ahead and download the image first. Now that I have my image, the next thing I'm going to do is to come to, still on my browser, I'll just go on a new tab and I'm going to go ahead and type Digen. Now, note that this Digen AI, you can actually use it even on the app. It's not a must that you use the website, okay? But whichever one you want to use, you are free to use it, okay? So this is the website right here, okay? You can see, let me zoom in so you see it. Oh, it's not allowed, okay, yeah. So this first one, just go ahead to tap on it, okay? You can use this using your phone, your laptop, whichever device you have, use it, okay? Once you've tapped on that, the next thing you want to do is to sign up, okay? Sign up using your Google account. I usually prefer to use my Google account so that because it's usually straightforward. Okay, so I've signed up. Let it just sign me up. Okay, just tap on X so that this one would go off. Okay, now that we are signed into Digen AI, you can see it's refreshing here. Once it's done refreshing, you're going to see my name icon. You can see letter G there to tell you that I'm already signed into the web version. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to come up here to where you can see this play button inside a circle. Okay, in your own, especially if you're using the app, you're going to see create, so you just tap on create, but here I'm going to just tap on this icon and it's going to load up. Now once it loads up, look into the search bar, notice what you have there. You can see Digen AI / create. Okay, so that's to tell you that it's still the same thing. Okay, now once it taps on that, you can see here we have 230 credits. Once you sign up newly, you're going to have 300 credits to yourself. With these 300 credits, you should be able to create as many as 6 videos, because right now you can see 230 videos. Now it's because I created one image first, then I created a video. Do you understand? So that for the image it used 20 credits for me, then for the video it used 50 credits. That's 70 credits. So what you can do is, once you generate all your videos for today, you have to wait until the next day so that it will refresh your credits, then you can use your credits. Now note that if you don't finish your credits today and you come tomorrow, it's going to add up the leftover credits, so you can generate as many videos as you want. Or if you cannot wait, just sign into different accounts and use the credits, okay, to your own benefit. Now the next thing you want to do is to come up here to where you can see 9:16. So you have to pick the aspect ratio for your video. Now if you are filming for YouTube, what you want to do is to use 16:9. If you're filming a long video for YouTube, it's 16:9. This particular one, because I want to upload on my YouTube short, I'll use 9:16. If you're uploading for Instagram Reel or TikTok, you use 9:16. If it's for an Instagram post, you use 1:1. Whichever one you want to create is what you have to go for. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the 9:16. Okay, now that we've tapped on 9:16, you can see the different ones I told you about down here. So but it's 9:16 I'm using, so let me just go back. Anyone you want, just tap on it and continue. Okay, so now that we are here, the next thing we need to do is to do what? To bring in our image. Now the image I already have saved to my gallery is what I'm going to bring in. So I'll tap on this gallery icon here. I'll just tap on it. It will redirect me to my phone gallery. So I'll just pick the image and tap on done, and then I'll just wait for it to upload. It doesn't take time. Okay, so while we wait for it to upload, if you've not liked and subscribed yet, please do that now. And also, if you need a one-on-one coaching session with me, all right, just reach out to me via the email address you can see on your screen. All right, so it has already uploaded. Now the next thing we need to do is to give it our prompt. What do we want our video to do or our image to do, because we are trying to turn this image into a video. So I'll tap on prompt. Okay, now that I've tapped on prompt, you can see we have 5 seconds. We have different seconds. Just go for 5 seconds. If you use anything more than 5 seconds, it would require you to subscribe to the platform. Do you understand? But because we're using the free version, I'll just limit it to 5 seconds per generation. Okay, so I'll just type what I want my video to do. So I can just say maybe talking confidently, or maybe talking and smiling confidently. And then I'll just tap on the check mark up here. Okay, now that I've done that, you can see prompt has been highlighted. If it has not been highlighted, know that nothing has been affected, though. It's just ordinary image to generate for you. Now the next one is we want it to talk, so we'll tap on talk. Now once you tap on talk, the first thing you want to do is to tap on Ultra Gen 3. So I'll tap on that Ultra Gen 3. Then the next thing, you can see big foot. I'll just tap on big foot and then tap on the arrow pointing upward and downward. This one is for the default sounds that it already has, the default voices it already has. So play the voices and see the one you want.
Start your character journey. Ready to make your art move? Ready to make your art move? Ready to make your art. Ready to make your art move?
So just pick any one you want and use, and then tap on check. But because you know that me, I don't like anything copyright issues, I don't like anything reused content, anything mass produced, especially when it has to do with Faceless. So what I'm going to do is to use my own voice or any other person's voice. So you can see we have upload here, we have a microphone here. So for that upload, before I show you how to use the microphone, for that particular upload, let's assume you want to film and you've already recorded the voiceover, you recorded the script right in your phone. Just upload it to this place. Or let's assume it's a kids content you are filming for. Use any 6-year-old or 7-year-old around you. Let the person read the script for you. Is an 8-year-old, let the person read the script for you, and then you upload the audio here. Or if it's maybe a male you want, even sometimes you can make your own voice sound babyish. For example, if I want to do that, I can say, "Hi Clarice's viewer, how are you doing? You are welcome." Let's assume it's an adult male I want to use. I could use any of my friends. I have male friends. I'll just send them my script, okay, and tell them to record wherever they are. They don't have to be with me. Once they just send it to me, all I just need to do is to upload the audio there and continue my work. Okay, use any of your friends, male, female, use anybody. All right, so once you're done with, if you want to upload, just tap on upload. It's going to bring up a recorder icon and then photos and videos. Just go into it and pick the one that they've sent to you and then use it. So but because I'm using the microphone icon, I want to record my own voice live and direct here. So I'm just going to tap on it. Now I'm going to intentionally make a mistake so that I will show you how to adjust in case you make a mistake. So I will tap on it now. Struggling to shoot, and let's assume I don't want that. I'll tap on stop. Okay, it's going to bring up this delete icon. So if I like it, I'll tap on check. If I don't like it, I'll tap on delete, and it will be able to, I'll be able to start again. Join my 7-day video editing class starting March 30th. And then I'll tap on stop. Then I'll tap on this check mark. Okay, once I tap on the check mark, you can see this particular timeline that we have here. What you want to do is to delete the parts where you were not saying anything. So you just come here, all this part now you were not saying anything, just move this to the beginning. Let me play. Join my 7-day video editing class starting March 30th. You can stop there, then move again. All right, so this is okay. So the next thing you just do is to tap on this check mark here. Okay, once you tap on check mark, you can see talk has also been highlighted. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on generate video. So I'll just go ahead and tap on generate video. Sometimes it will not take a lot of time, while sometimes it will take very long. I remember the last video that I generated, I had to wait for like maybe 5 minutes or even 10 minutes for that video to generate. But we know what we want, right? We're the ones looking for what we want, so we have to like wait for it. Okay, so just wait for it. You can see here current channel has 16 tasks, estimated wait time is 6 minutes, starts generating after 317 seconds. So my dear, I'm just going to go and eat my apple while I wait for this thing to get generated. Okay, so now it's done generating. I'll just tap on play. Join my 7-day video editing class starting March 30th. Okay, so that's that about that. Now the next thing is to just go ahead and tap on this download icon here. Okay, so I can just download it into my phone screen. Now there is something known as continuity in videos, such that you know the way this AI video is right now, you know that my hand is standing like this, and when it wants to say the next thing, it will still start from that hand that is like this. If you want it to start from exactly where it stopped, there is also a way you can do it. And in order to make this video not to be extremely long, I put up a video. There's a video I actually filmed on this particular thing, on enabling for continuity, so that it will not look like an AI generated video. Okay, everything would continue smoothly. I'm going to also link it in the description box of this video, so just watch and enjoy. And after this, just download into your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on download. Okay, and in just seconds, a matter of seconds, to get downloaded into my phone. And yada, I'll just go into my CapCut art and then join everything together, and there you go. Now if you want background sounds, free background sounds, what you just need to do is to go over to YouTube, go to the audio library there, and pick anyone you want, download it and add it when you are using your editing software. If you do not know how to edit, I'm hosting a 7-day video editing class. You can go ahead and sign up for it. It is starting March 30th. It is 10,000 naira. So between now and March 30th, before we start and before my group will be filled up, just go ahead and sign up for it. People are already signing up. Go ahead and sign up for it so that you can join the waiting list. Bye bye.